Hi, this is Chris and Lisa. We're about to show you what sassafras looks like and how to clean it. Make tea, take the root out, all that fun stuff. Here we go. Alright. Find a good one right here to show you guys. Sassafras has mittens on it. The leaves look like mittens. So right here, you got the one leaf, looks like one finger of a mitten or whatever. There's the three. Then there'll be a two. It's like having three fingers and a thumb sticking out. Try to find one that ain't all chewed up. Right there, that one's not bug eaten. Right there. I gotta clear all this out where I'm gonna be digging at. So I'll get back to you when I'm ready.
The big root.
Yep, we're back. Oh, a pile of digging.
And right here you can see how far we had to dig down just to get to the root. You gotta be really careful because a lot of times you can dig up roots and you think they're sassafras because they smell just like them. A lot of them smell like, what is it, root beer?
Yeah.
A lot of people refer to it as root beer.
It's because you get the oil off the root, it gets on your hands or whatever you're trying to smell. It's an overpowering smell. You don't want to take all the root off the tree because obviously the tree will die. And it's not a very big tree to begin with. There's still another big root that's coming off of that. We're leaving that alone. Then you see all these other small roots. They're from all the different plants and bushes. So now we're going to fill this hole back in, get back to the house, show you how to make tea. Okay, I'm back. Or, we're back. My girlfriend's getting her shower after all this mess. Something I forgot to tell you, we were in a hurry because it was getting ready to rain. And you don't want these roots to get wet. They'll grow mold, they won't store right, and they won't dry. Water is a big enemy with this stuff. Dry out, or you gotta use it right away. Now, there's a couple different ways people use tear this apart. First off, you gotta wash it off. Some people use a knife, cut pieces off. I like a potato peeler. Alright, so I'll get this cleaned off and I'll be back. Okay, I got it all cleaned off. Some of the bark fell off. It don't matter, just get the dirt off as best you can. Some people say dirt don't hurt, but I don't like drinking mud. Some people use pliers too, you can crush it. But I like to use the peeler. Get little pieces off, seems like it works better. So just take a peel it, use the bark and everything off the root. It's real simple. And it tastes great. I can't wait to drink this stuff. Just peel it. Another thing I like to do whenever I'm pulling the root out of the ground, anywhere it's broke off at, normally you try to get as much as you can off of one root. You don't ever want to take all the roots off the tree. But if the places where it breaks off at, so you can dry out the rest of the root, if the bark's missing off of it, I try to cut it off just so there's no bare spots like this. It seems like it don't dry right. It dries better with the root on it, or the bark on the root dries better like that. Alright, get this ready, get it steeping, show you what it looks like. Okay, it's all cut up. That's what it looks like. This looks like a bunch of wood. I had to break out the old pliers, so I got the majority of it chopped up. Then I just started smashing it, mashing it, all that fun stuff. So there's a chemical in this, well, an oil. It's called Sassafras. I've seen different articles where Some people say it causes cancer, some people say it don't. There's only one real thing for sure about this. It thins your blood. So if you got blood issues, I definitely wouldn't drink this. At least talk to the doctor first. And now another thing, whenever you're digging this root up, this root has oil. It has a tendency of sticking to your hands or gloves, whatever you decide to use. So you can get the wrong root thinking that you got the right root. Like, you definitely wouldn't want to boil up some ivy poison or some poison oak. So you gotta be careful. This is just a little bit of an instructional video. Don't take everything I say granted. Do your own research. Be careful. You don't want to end up in the hospital or worse. Show you what it looks like after it turns red. This stuff will make your whole house smell awesome. I'm back. Here's what we got so far. Starting to turn red. Got the slime on top. Got that syrup. Syrup's coming out. I don't want the syrup though, I want the tea. So what I do, after this gets the right color, it's far from it right now. Probably another half hour yet. But anyway, once this stuff gets the right color and I'm ready to pour it into a pitcher, I always scrape this stuff off. You'll get an oily coat too, kind of like car oil or whatever sitting on water. A little rainbow effect type stuff. I just take that out with the spoon. Here's what I use too to siphon everything. I just put it on there and pour it in once it's cold. Alright, plug-ins back in. Okay, we're back. It had time to steep. Nice and red now. Grab the fire. I'll be right back so you can see it better. Okay, here we go. See, that's nice and red. I like to use a coffee filter. So I do that. Filters a good bit of it out. Really don't even need the filter right now. Just gets a lot of the oils out. I'm not going to bore you. I'll get back to this. Show you when it's done. Further ahead. Okay, it's done. I'm still going to add water to this. See how red that is? That's nice and red. But I can't see it that good on camera. That's all there is to it. Just go out, find it. Showed you how. Around this area it seems to grow more in sandy soil. Like ginseng. We'll get on that a whole different different time. Catch y'all later. Let me know what you thought. This first one, probably like a deer in the headlights. Have a good one.